Do you need a phone number from the United Kingdom or the United States? Maybe for WhatsApp and OTP verification or business purposes. Over the past few weeks, I've tested several platforms to get a UK or US number without actually living there. Out of all of them, these two are by far the most reliable and the fastest to use. Sure, there are plenty of free methods on YouTube and other sites, but honestly, they hardly ever work. Why? They usually show you how to borrow a number that's already in use or uses someone else's forwarded number. In short, you don't get a unique number that's truly yours, which makes verification possible. That's why today I'm going to show you the cheapest and most reliable solution to get full control over your own UK or US number. So let's go over the benefits of fastnumber.com. First, you get unique numbers. Every number is completely yours, perfect for verifications and WhatsApp. Then it's instant delivery. Right after completing your order, your UK or US number will be sent straight to your inbox. Then you get discounts included. The more numbers you get, the cheaper each one becomes. Don't forget to use the code WELCOME75 for 80% off your first month. Now, let's go through the step-by-step instructions. First, you are going to go to fastnumber.com. You're going to open the website and choose the package that suits you, whether you want one number or multiple. It's all possible. Then you're going to select your numbers. If you want just one number, perfect. But if you want more, then it's okay because each number becomes cheaper thanks to the discount structure. Don't forget to use the code WELCOME75 for 80% off your first month. Now, step number 3, we are going to place your order. After the payment, you'll receive an email within minutes with your own UK or US number. No hassle, no waiting. Then we are going to receive verification codes instantly. So whenever you need a code for WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other app, you'll get it immediately in your inbox. It works exactly when you need it. Then the next step is customer support and guarantee. If you're not satisfied or the number doesn't work, email fastnumber.com and they'll personally help you through the verification process. And the best part, if it still doesn't work, then you get a 100% refund, no risk and no hassle. And then there's also the alternative option, guys, which is Crisp Call. So if you want to try something else, then a second option that works is Crisp Call. But honestly, guys, compared to fastnumber.com, it's much more expensive. I mean, one number costs €15 per month. And if you want to try it, I've also put that link in the description below. Click the link in the description below, guys, for fastnumber.com and get your own UK or US number in just 2 minutes. Want to try a more expensive option? Then scroll down for Crisp Call. It's that simple to have your own UK or US number for WhatsApp, OTP verification, or any other apps. Don't forget to use the code WELCOME75 for 80% off your first month.